travel, cryptocurrency, and gaming all on one platform. Let's check it out, guys. This is Ariva token. Now, Ariva token has been taking some painful losses, but I think this is a good time to start analyzing the charts and getting more position for it. Now, I have made multiple videos about this earlier about what's been happening, but they've been coming out with some new stuff, guys. Got some new games coming out. They are not games. They got a better platform, more updates for it. But when it comes to the chart, guys, now for people who are looking to buy a good bottom, I think this bottom is coming up right here. This zone right here. Make it a little bit tighter. All right. This is like a happy metric, but I think that if you guys are hodling, doing a lot of cash position into Ariva, it's going to head down lower. I think it's going to be heading down to even the bottom of this wick, which is going to be 0.00010237, so a lot lower. So if you're trading it, then yeah, possible short. But for me, I'm not going to be thinking about doing any buy entries, no trading it at all, or even cash positions until it bounces off this low. Now, if it doesn't bounce off that low, then we're going to a lot more dangerous territory. And if it goes down that type of territory, I don't want to be part of it. This cryptocurrency is a good concept, but it might not make it. I mean, it possibly can, but I don't want to be around down here buying until it goes down lower or possibly higher. But I do see Ariva going down lower, guys, to this low right here. Now, this is its overall direction. If you look at the overall direction of this cryptocurrency in the monthly, you can definitely say it is basically taking some pains, taking some L's. We need a green bar. We need at least 2 months close higher, in my opinion, just to make sure that the trend is kind of reversing, building up more orders. Now, they have come out with some new stuff, guys. I'm going to jump right into right now. Let's go into their market stuff. So number 802 on the list, their watch list, what I do like is getting onto more people. If you look at the previous videos I made of Ariva, there's more and more people, getting onto this crypto's watch list, so that's really, really good. If you guys are looking at trading, hodling, getting part of this cryptocurrency, it's on a lot of platforms. So here's the list, guys. I'll have it in the description below. But let's check out their news, guys. So 145,000 followers on Twitter. If you look at this right here, their Alpha 2 now embarked on the Web 3.0 metaverse. So if you guys want to check out their game or their gaming verse, it's really interesting. I'm not a big gamer when it comes to this kind of stuff, but I do like when platforms adopt new things at, some more use to it. Just check it out, guys. I haven't checked out any of the games. I just read the news when it comes to certain cryptos. Here's their main website, guys. This is ariva.digital, so check it out. I would highly suggest you guys educate yourself getting into a cryptocurrency before jumping into it. Learn more about it, how it's going to do its packaging and stuff like that. But just to verify it with you guys, I see it going lower to this candlestick low. So for me, I'm not going to look at doing any buys until it hits that low and then bounces off the next candle, probably off the daily or the weekly. But guys, also head to my website, andrejmcclennan.com. I'm updating the MetaTrader 4, so you're looking at programming, adding indicators, stuff like that. I'm adding more, adding a free education spot to my website, so please check that out. But other than that, guys, I'll tell you how I've done this video. If you guys want to learn more about this travel cryptocurrency with gaming, check out the website. But that's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.